Okay, let's just get right to it. In today's hyper-connected world, having a website for your business isn't just a nice to have anymore. It's an absolute must. We're about to dig into why your business's future is totally tied to its digital presence. I want you to really think about this for a second. Is your business actually open all the time? I mean, can a potential customer find you, learn about what you do, and get in touch at, say, midnight on a Tuesday? For most physical stores, the answer is a hard no, but in the digital world, it can be a huge, resounding yes. And that leads us to a really crucial point about business today. Your website is basically your new front door. Seriously, it's not a luxury anymore, it's what people expect. Think about it. When someone hears about your business, what's the very first thing they do? They pull out their phone and search for you. And if they can't find you online, well, for a lot of them, it's like your business doesn't even exist. So what is a website in this new world? Well, you can think of it as your digital office, your virtual showroom, your best salesperson who never, ever sleeps. It's the one part of your operation that's always on, always ready to greet customers, answer their questions, and show off what makes you great, anytime, from anywhere. You know, there's a real psychological thing that happens here. A clean, professional, easy-to-use website just instantly builds trust. It sends a message that you're an established, organized business that actually cares about the customer's experience. It gives you this immediate credibility boost before you've even spoken a single word to them. So, how does all this translate into real bottom-line advantages? I mean, having that digital front door isn't just about keeping up, it's about opening up massive new opportunities. So let's break down the 5 key benefits you get from a really well-designed website. And these aren't just separate points. These 5 advantages really build on each other, creating this powerful engine for growth that you just can't get without a solid online presence. First off, you smash through those geographical barriers. You can go from being a local favorite to a regional or even global player. Second, it's the perfect stage to really show off what you do, with amazing photos, videos, detailed descriptions, way more than you could ever fit on a flyer. Third, as we just talked about, you build that crucial brand credibility. Fourth, all of this naturally leads to more engagement and, of course, more sales. And finally, it just levels the playing field, you know? It lets you go toe-to-toe with businesses of any size in today's digital world. So, you get it. You know you need a website. But then the big question hits, how do you actually do it? Building a professional, effective site can seem super overwhelming, not to mention expensive. And that's exactly where a company like Giritech Enterprises steps into the picture. Let's use Giritech Enterprises as an example here. They position themselves as more than just a company that builds websites. They see themselves as a digital partner for businesses, helping them build a powerful, modern, and affordable online presence that's tailored specifically to what they need. You can really see what they're all about in this quote. Their whole mission is about leveling that playing field we talked about. The idea is that every business, whether you're a tiny startup or a beloved local shop, deserves to have access to the kind of high-quality digital tools you need to succeed today. So how does a company like Giritech actually do it? Well, their approach is all about creating websites that don't just look pretty. They have to be built on a solid foundation of speed, security, and usability, all while really capturing the unique vibe of your brand. Okay, so here's what any good web development partner should be offering. We're talking unique designs, not some cookie-cutter template. It has to have a mobile-friendly layout that's non-negotiable since more than half of all internet traffic is on phones now. It needs an SEO-ready structure so people can actually find you on Google. It's got to be fast and secure to protect you and your customers. And the whole thing should be backed by real, reliable support at a price that doesn't break the bank. A good web development process is a complete package, an end-to-end solution. It should always start with planning, where they really dive deep to understand your specific goals. Then comes the fun part, design, where they craft the look and feel. After that is development, the nitty-gritty of actually building a fast, secure site. And finally, the launch, taking your business live for the whole world to see. It's a full journey. And that brings us to a final, really important idea. Getting a website shouldn't feel like a one-and-done transaction. It should be the start of a relationship, a true partnership that's all about your long-term growth online. This quote right here just nails that idea. The website is the tool, sure, but the real goal is growth. Having a digital partner means you've got an expert in your corner, making sure your online presence keeps evolving and delivering value as your business gets bigger and better. So we'll end with this thought. It's an undeniable fact. Your customers are online right now. They're searching, they're shopping, they're connecting. The only real question left is, are you there to meet them?